It was a bloody start to the popular Dream Weekend party series in Negril, Westmoreland last night after one of the patrons was shot and killed by a security guard. Even more stunning, two women captured on camera trying to resuscitate the dying man. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
The shocking video captured by a cell phone. Two women performing CPR on a man who appears to be injured. A policeman pacing frantically. Patrons screaming, "Him really shot him." This was the scene at one of the Dream Weekend party series, dubbed the largest in the Caribbean, on Friday morning in Negril, Westmoreland. The fun and excitement quickly turned sour after gunshots rang out sometime after 3 o'clock. Investigators say an argument developed between a security guard and one of the patrons, 37-year-old John Matthew from a St. Andrew address. Matthew is believed to be the man lying on the ground in this video. It said the security guard intercepted Matthew, who was trying to enter the party with two women who didn't have the required armbands. The police say Matthew slapped the guard and pointed his firearm at him. The guard then pulled his firearm and fired a round, hitting Matthew in the chest. He died shortly after. But what concerned investigators is that armed patrons were trying to enter the event. Head of the JCF Corporate Communications Unit, Assistant Superintendent Dela Garrick, says a post has been set up at the Negril Police Station for patrons to leave their licensed firearm.
It's customary that when events of this nature is taking place, that as part of the security arrangement, persons will hand over their licensed firearm for safekeeping at this established post.
But was there a breach of security in this case?
I couldn't speak specifically, as the person reportedly had an altercation with the security while he was trying to enter the event.
She noted that the security guard has since been questioned and released.
The firearms have been seized, both that of the security and that which was being carried by the man, by the patron. So two firearms have been seized arising from this incident.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.